we're so grateful for having our 5-year-old baby. And yes, I do call it baby, because if we don't take care of it as our baby, it won't give us back on the other hand. I love this picture. First ribbon cut through the chamber in 2015, and that doesn't happen without their support. Every single time I get the same question when I meet new people. Rima, where are you from? You have really heavy accent. Well, with a big smile on my face, I respond with the same answer. This is Rima from Lebanon. Wassek moved to the States at a really early age, finishing his high school and college in UFA. We met through a friend of mine who arranged a family date for both of us, and we were engaged in 2 weeks. I think what they say, love with the first sight, was totally applicable in our case. And other than that, I enjoyed just like being with my hubby. A good rule when you're driving an old car is the 50-50 rules. If you don't know what is it, the 50-50, if you repair total more than 50% of the value of the car itself, it's time to find a new vehicle. You don't want to go and throw good money after bad, meaning you must cut bait at some point and invest in a newer vehicle. When you keep in mind that's the car, it's a huge investment, so you're gonna keep your tips just like on top of it. Schedule regular maintenance, never skip an oil change. Your motor is extremely valuable and you need to keep it happy. Rotate and balance tires as often, and please do not ignore any recommendation, because when you ignore recommendation, you don't put yourself only in danger, but you put others around you too. When the value is lower than the maintenance cost, we're gonna be the first one we're gonna tell you do not put any money in it.